Yeah, it's coming this way.
Occurring with that. It's right at the airport right now. Look at it.
Whoa.
Oh my. Did that hit the aviation buildings there?
You can see it.
North 208th Street.
He said the tornado's on the ground north of Trail.
Can you see it?
I don't see it.
Come here. You can see it. It's right there. Look right over the edge of the trees, Tyler. See the edge
Oh,
of the
yeah.
trees? It's right there. Here, let Barbara drone. We just gotta be in here.
No, I don't got cable down. That was super close. We could see it outside the front window. Be round 3. Yeah, we're okay. It looks like this next one's gonna pass us too. There's a big one, like a couple miles this way. Like 4 tornadoes just came through here. The house a mile up got destroyed. A couple miles this way. The whole east side of the town got taken out. Now the sun's out, rainbows. It's crazy.